Step 1. Selling preferences. First, go to eBay. Click on your name at the top left and select Account Settings. Scroll down a little and click on Selling Preferences. Now find Automated Feedback, click Edit, turn Automate Feedback on, and save. Next, Return Preferences, click Edit, enable RMA number. Return to the previous page and make sure the following options are turned on. Listings stay active when you're out of stock. Buyers can see exactly how many items are left. Step 2. Shipping Preferences. Now click on Shipping Preferences. Find the option to request buyer's phone number and turn that yes. Head back to your account settings page and click on Business Policies. We're going to create 3 policies: shipping, return, and payment. Step 3. Create Shipping Policy. Click Create Policy and choose Shipping. In the policy name and description fields, type Shipping Policy. For shipping method, select Standard Shipping. Set the cost type to flat. Click Add Primary Service and select USPS Priority Mail, 1 to 4 business days. Enable free shipping. Scroll down and set handling time to 2 business days. Under Excluded Locations, exclude every location except P.O. boxes. Click Save. Next, Step 4, Create Return Policy. Click Create Policy and select Return. In the policy name and description fields, type Return Policy. Under Domestic Returns, select Accept Returns. Allowed within 30 days. Free for buyer, you pay. Refund method, money back. Click Save. Step 5, Create Payment Policy. Click Create Policy and select Payment. Again, type Payment Policy in both the name and description fields. Enable Immediate Payment Required. Click Save. Step 6, Update your shipping location on eBay. Start by searching for any item on eBay, like a book. Next, click on Update your shipping location. Choose your shipping country. Enter the appropriate zip code and click Apply. Step 7, Customize General Settings. Click on the 3 dots in the top right corner and select Customize. Enable both seller information and item number. Then click Apply Changes. Step 8, Customize your table settings. Head over to your listings page. Click on Customize Table. Enable the following options: Item Specifics, Custom Label SKU, Item Number, Available Quantity, Sold Quantity, Current Price, Start Date, End Date. After enabling these, click Save. Step 9, Set Amazon Zip Location. Go to Amazon, click on Deliver To at the top, and update the zip code based on your selling region. If you're selling in the USA, use a US zip code. If in the UK, use a UK postal code. Click Done. Make sure you're logged out of your Amazon account. Step 10, Purchase an eBay Premium Store. Go to your Seller Hub and click on Store. Then select Choose Subscription. Pick the Premium Store plan, which offers up to 10,000 listings per month. Enter your store name and click Submit Order. Make sure you followed all 10 steps carefully. And that's it. Your eBay account is now fully optimized and ready for selling.